Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. We just got ourselves a breaking news lawsuit update for Ripple slash XRP. And even though the echo is most likely all for this guy or this news with you guys really briefly. Breaking news. Magistrate Judge Netburn denies the SEC's attorney-client privilege claims. The predominant purpose of the communications was not to produce legal advice. The documents must be produced. So if you don't know or you don't understand what this means, this basically means the SEC was trying to hold all the emails and all the information regarding the emails private because they said no, William Hinman was the client and he was talking to his attorneys, but Ripple already said, and that was what the hearing was about, it doesn't really make sense. And the judge was also like, well, but you're trying to change up from a certain privilege, the DPP, the deliberative process privilege, now to attorney-client privilege, since that one was denied and was even reconsidered. So as it currently stands, to kind of come to a conclusion, this is very bullish for Ripple slash XRP. I'm actually going to send you guys this video or put it onto YouTube before the other videos that I made because it's just breaking news and I didn't have proper internet to upload my previous ones. But so if you're wondering, yeah, this is, I'm just going to publish this right now this second. I'm pretty happy about this because this means Ripple is finally going to get some insights into every SEC policy internally regarding those emails. That was one of the most important decisions for everything. So I'm, again, very excited. It doesn't mean Ripple has won, but this is a great and a very huge victory for Ripple. And I think this news came just out in like 20 minutes ago or so, and it's already going pretty rampant over on Twitter. Let's quickly check that out again just to make sure. Yeah, this is about 20 minutes ago, 2,000 likes already. James says that decision is what Black's Law Dictionary defines as a body slam. And yeah, of course, people are excited about it. Massive win for Ripple. Massive, massive win. Once more, guys, quick little summary again, just to quickly do it again. William Hinman was the director of corporation finance at the SEC. He gave a speech in 2018 regarding the status of crypto or whatever they were thinking. I'm going to stand on the chair here a little bit. That speech, though, was based upon like 40 or I don't remember 60 or so emails where William Hinman said, and the SEC claims, those emails were done to make sure that I'm not saying anything wrong. And when I'm talking about Hinman, so basically as policy, or maybe even from the name of the Corporation of Finance, or Corporation of Finance at the SEC and whatnot. But the conclusion is that it was legal advice to him. And then what the conclusion was for the public, as in if they were given guidance or whatnot, that was like a thin line because the SEC earlier tried to claim, no, it's not financial advice, just William Hinman's personal opinion. But then in the most recent hearing, about a month ago or so, they claimed, no, it was definitely supposed to act as guidance because he got himself guidance from an attorney. Judge said, well, but you can't really get yourself guidance from an attorney because he would have to ask personal attorneys, not SEC attorneys. That doesn't make sense. And they had to rebuttal it, but they couldn't do it properly. So again, this was supposed to go this way. I'm not too surprised that this decision was made, but still it's a very bullish one. So I'm definitely excited about it. Again, very short little video, just happy to share this news with you guys. Breaking news, press that like button if you enjoyed it. And yeah, let's go. XRP, man. Hope it's going to pump. Let's not expect it though, but hey.